Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. So I purchased one Edifice EQB 1100D, I guess that's the correct model number, from CASIOIndiaShop.com. So, and this is a solar powered Edifice. So I had in mind that I needed one Edifice, and this has this Bluetooth connectivity as well. So let's see. So Casio India labels on every side. They have surely packed it well, but no bubble wrap. That's alarming. The pack seems to be in dilapidated condition, so it's EQB 1000. Okay, manufactured in China. I don't know what is the manufacturing date on this. Okay, paperwork, module number 5604. This is genuine product, 2-year warranty claim. Extend your warranty by blah blah blah, 6 months. So this is the warranty card. Super slim Edifice, the prop, typical 80s Japanese prop. What else? Nothing, just a bunch of paperwork. Edifice 2 years warranty, Edifice connected. I think they upgraded the app, now it's Casio watches. Then okay, so I got it for a total of 20k after all the discount. Okay, tag is also there, but it's on the outside. Big reveal time. The watch 5604, smartphone link sapphire crystal. Okay, at least the watch is in running condition. So all right, watch is a little bit big, but nice looking nonetheless. So this is in turquoise and this is in blue. So need to get to the operations of this. There are a lot many other videos which you can refer to. Alright guys, that's the watch. Thank you all for watching. Go check this out. This is a really nice looking beauty indeed. Yes, go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.